Afternoon, everyone. It is June 19th, Thursday afternoon, fifth period here at KIT Iizuka for English 7D. This is class number 10, and I will move this recording over to my iPad. Good. Okay, let's take a look at what we're up to here. First, let's take a look at the whole thing. So for class number 10, you don't have that much that you have to do. Basically, we're going to do some Quizlet today for the first part of the class. And then for your classwork, you have your listening quiz number 3. So this is a listening quiz. That means that you have a little extra time to do it. It's not due until June 29th at 11 p.m. After your listening quiz, you have a reflection, as you always do. This one, I hope you can get a little bit out of this, because actually when I watched this video, I thought, hey, I do that. Oh, that's really bad for you. Oh, okay. So maybe this will give you a few things to think about in terms of what you do in your life. I think all of us, we all use our cell phones too much. And of course, that's in this list, but there might be something in there for you too. Write your ideas, take a picture, send it up to the reflection assignment. And I think that's all I really had to show you. Yeah, that was it. Your listening quiz and your reflection. Now, just to remind you again, after June 19th, well, actually after today, there are only 3 more classes. And especially July 3rd, I believe it is. July 3rd, yeah, there it is. July 3rd, you have your last walking video number 2. We don't have many classes left until the final Moodle test and the conversation test. So let's do a good job and make them work out well. If you ever have any questions that you want to ask me, you can always email me, or you can come and talk to me here in class. Otherwise, let's have a good class, everyone.